या कर रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर।
चल रही है रिकॉर्ड।
तो रिकॉर्डिंग तब से चल रही है क्या? जरूरत ही नहीं है ना? Hey guys, welcome to the Part-Time Hustlers. We make podcasts about hustle, entrepreneurship, and other related topics. And today we are going to talk about things that you should know right now. The students who are entering college, उनको क्या क्या चीजें पता होनी चाहिए उसके बारे में. We are going to cover up topics like internships and side hustle ideas today. ठीक है.
Yeah.
So Divit, let's just start. Internships से अगर हम लोग बात करें तो सबसे
Yeah.
पहले how was your first internship experience?
So I remember my first internship experience काफी अच्छे से, and
Mhm.
I remember I waited and I like let go of many internships because the one I joined, the offer letter and everything came a bit late. So I actually waited for
Mhm.
it. Uh, and I actually took that internship part of because you recommended the company
Yeah.
and and because the main job description was research work and database creation, which I was generally very interested in, and
Right.
it was really nice. It like stretched for it went on for like 2-3 months, and it was a very pleasant experience. And I met a lot of good professionals working in the field.
राइट सो आई थिंक हाँ हमारा जो फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस था वो देवित और मेरा दोनों सेम ही कंपनी में था.
Same, yeah,
And that was because that I work for the placement cell of my college, and like I tapped in a company and I thought like, okay, so this is a really nice
yeah,
company, and the things that they are offering, like this is the practical exposure that I would say a MBA student
yeah,
would get. This is like proper research and stuff, so we should apply in it. So उसमें आई थिंक काफी चीजें हम लोगों को सीखने को
yeah,
मिलती है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आज.
yeah.
तो ये बात हो गई हमारी इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस की. बट आज का जो मेन टॉपिक है वो ये है कि ओके, सो यू ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम स्कूल, यू आर इन कॉलेज,
Yeah.
एंड मोस्ट पीपल टोल्ड यू दैट जो पढ़ाई होती है ना वो सिर्फ 12th तक होती है. उसके बाद में यू
Mm,
जस्ट गेट इन कॉलेज, डू योर
yeah.
डिग्री, गेट योर एमबीए, एंड देन लाइफ इज सेट.
Mm,
बट लेट मी टेल यू गाइस कि ये दिस इज द थिंग ऑफ द पास्ट, एंड
mm,
now the world doesn't work like that. And if you are entering college in 2020 or like इस टाइम पे जो भी बाद में भी लोग करेंगे, the
mm,
things are getting very different. People are starting to become entrepreneurs at the young age of 19, 18, and they're earning
yeah.
good money, all right. If you
Yeah.
have skills in these times, you don't need a degree. If you have skills, you can just get started. There are some companies that are offering things to people who have skills, and they're not even looking at the degrees, all right. So things are changing. So for
So,
that, so for that, you really need to have a plan and think about stuff that you really need to do in college,
yeah.
because that thing is of a past now. When you just enter the college, चुपचाप जाके पढ़ते हो, थोड़ा मजे
Mm,
वजे किया एंड इट्स ओवर. अब
yeah.
ऐसा नहीं चलता है. तो आज की जो हमारी मेन जो जो मेन टॉपिक है, दैट इज अबाउट इंटर्नशिप्स,
Yeah.
राइट. सो David, let's just start that. How can a student get an internship in first year of the college itself? Start
Like,
उससे.
do you want to talk about first why getting an internship is important?
All right, so start with that first. Tell that
Yeah.
why getting internship is important, then we'll
Yeah.
move on to how to
Yeah.
get.
So, first of all, like obviously, it's very common that you get actual practical exposure from going on internships. But what you learn at a later stage when you do a lot of internships, that you actually get to apply what you're learning in class, right?
Right.
You learn a lot of things in college and a lot of bunking. If you don't bunk all your classes, then you learn. And the best thing is you also get to apply it in real scenarios, which is an exposure lacking in schools. You
Right.
actually apply what you learn. तुम
Exactly.
algebra नहीं कर रहे हो कॉलेज में, ठीक है? So if you're a marketing major or you're a finance major, finance internships are like a pretty hard to get. But marketing, you actually get to apply what you're learning. You get to apply the strategies and all, right?
Exactly.
Uh, and one more some more advantages are networking. You build a lot of connections by going on internships you with professionals who are actually working right now and will be able to help you in the future. And I think other than like building up your resume, adding like internship certificates to your CV, you get actual professional valuable feedback. Like
Right.
when we talked about our internship experience, right? I still remember like when our internship was about to get over, right? uh, you and me, we had to go to an office to
Yeah.
chat about it. And I remember like our mentor, he
Right.
actually sat us down and he actually talked to us. Like he told, I saw your work and these are the strengths that I think you have, these are the weaknesses you work on. And it sounds like it's a normal thing people do, but that was actual feedback based on my actual work,
Right.
that I applied knowledge, I applied myself in. And that
So
like
the
that
most
feedback has helped me, like, yeah, to improve till now.
the
Yeah,
most important thing that I can like take out of your like what you just said is that you need to get quality internship, guys. Alright,
exactly.
तो अभी हम लोग बहुत जल्द जब बात करेंगे how to get
Yeah,
internships, we will also talk about how there are a
yeah.
lot of low quality internships available for
Hmm.
you guys,
Or
which
how
students
internships and
generally
yeah,
students generally take initially thinking that we will get
yeah.
experience,
Hmm.
but what they are doing is that just making your you
Wasting your time and energy.
they will just okay, let's just stop it, बाद में इसके बारे में बात करेंगे.
ठीक
First
है.
of all, let's just talk about uh, the few things that you will gain out of an internship, ठीक है?
Yeah,
Because अभी तो हम लोगों ने अपने experience की बात कर दी, हवा हवा
true.
में बात कर ली, but the real things that you get is number
Yeah,
one, you will really get to know how the work is done. All right. Number two, you will get to know how companies function. Right.
yes.
What kind of things you need to do, and what all is expected from you. Because companies, जितना मैंने देखा है, they will not treat you like interns. They will treat you like an employee. You will get to know the pressures that you are going to face after your graduation, and if you are
Yeah,
ready for it. If you're not ready for it, it's just fine. You can do something else and not get
yeah,
into the corporate world. Things are opening up
yeah,
now, and सबको वही चीज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नंबर थ्री, नेटवर्किंग, जिसके बारे में दिव्यत ने बात करी थी, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग.
yeah,
तुम्हें क्या पता कि इफ यू लेट्स से यू वर्क फॉर अ कंपनी, you make really good connections with the people in that company, and let's say like you work really well, and after your graduation अगर मान लो तुम्हें कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा हो, you're
hmm,
not getting you're not getting a placement, you're not
yeah,
getting a good package, and maybe if you're not happy with the company you're working in, you always have an option that you, okay, I know someone from that company, I've worked there
yeah,
before as an intern and he knows me, I
yeah,
can maybe try in that company. So that is like that is really important, and networking is something, I think मैंने पहले भी एक podcast में एक बात बोली है, that your
hmm,
net worth is your network is your net worth.
network.
The people you are with, you are definitely going to gain something out of it, or out of them. If you are with negative people, you will gain negative stuff.
Yeah,
If you're with positive people, you will get positive stuff. So ये तो सारी बातें हो गई,
yeah.
the
I,
benefits of internships. इसके
I,
अलावा कुछ कुछ
I think
ऐसी.
one more thing that you get out of internship, which I think is a very very important thing, is
Yeah,
that if you actually are ready or if you actually like the work that you're doing. For like
exactly,
taking example, in school you choose your stream, right? But you do not know if you will like it after 2 years or something. But in
exactly.
internships, if like if you think you are, originally I personally thought I would fit in as an HR, and I would like it. And like if I when I saw the JD or even saw some internships of like in the HR field, I knew that this wasn't meant for me, and I could actually realize that maybe, and that helped me choose, like, I'm a finance major now,
Yeah.
because internships actually allow you to go into that field, practice something in that field, and just check if you fit in or if you like the work that you're
And
doing.
that is a very important point,
Yeah,
because most of us think that we're good in something, but
exactly.
you will
Yeah,
only get to know if you're really
yeah,
good in it when you try that in real life. और एक बहुत important बात ये भी है, which is like secondary, you should not aim for that, लेकिन it
mm,
like you should aim for that, but that is something that will build up eventually. That is your CV building,
mm,
basically your CV building, and internships might just help you get some good colleges or some good internships. Like if you go, let's say if Divit has done some internship, and I have never done an internship, and he's applying for, let's say, some business school, and I am applying for the same business school.
mm,
He will definitely have more exposure and more experience than me, and he will have a better CV, right? So like this is something, but I would not say that think of it as a
Yeah, that should
competition.
not
That
be your end goal,
yeah,
right?
that is not an end goal. Like
Adding your
that
CV is
that
like a
will
benefit. Yeah, you get along.
that is a event, like that will happen eventually,
Hmm.
right? So that is also something like benefits के अंदर जो कि आएगा. अब बात करते हैं how to get an internship. All right. So David start करना चाहेगा?
I think you being in the CITB, in the placement cell and internship cell, I think you should do the honors.
All right. So, at times, if you are in a good college, your college might give you opportunities. For example, for our college, it is really important to do internships,
Yeah,
and we
it's
get,
compulsory.
yeah, it is compulsory. And the college provides us with some, like, not exactly provides us, but like it gives us to opportunity. Like you
Yeah.
can go and apply.
Hmm.
Like there are internship drives. People come, like the companies come in, and sometimes like there are different ways off campus and on campus drives, etc. ये होती
Hmm.
रहती हैं. इसके अलावा let's say you are in a college जिसमें internships opportunities नहीं है,
Yeah.
or maybe you want to explore out of your courses. Let's say
Yeah.
you are doing engineering but you want to pursue content writing, so उसके लिए internशाला है,
Yeah.
LinkedIn है, through which you can tap in, like not exactly tap in, but like you can
You can.
apply
Yeah.
and get internship.
Find out like which internships are being offered.
Exactly, find out what internships are being offered. और अगर तुम्हें अभी apply नहीं भी करना तो make a account and see
Hmm.
what all things are there, how work is being done, and then select eventually, and you will see. I have I have been offered at least 3 or 4 internships through
Hmm.
internshala. All right, at least 3 or 4 internships through internshala. All of them were related to marketing and sales. मैंने एक sales की internship करी थी, which eventually, through which I came to know that I'm not really good in sales, and like
Yeah.
it was that was something जिसमें मेरे को लगता था कि यार हाँ, sales is something that I can pursue. I can be a good salesman. I have the
Hmm.
communication skill and I can convince people. चलो
Yeah.
that is something else. लेकिन eventually मैंने देखा कि इस type की sales तो मैं नहीं कर
Yeah.
सकता हूँ, because also I cannot handle that pressure and all that. You have to like
Close and yeah,
you
to
have
reach
to
a quota.
match this target at
Yeah,
the end of this
quota.
week
Yeah.
or the end of this month. वो मेरी बस का नहीं है.
Yeah.
होता है कुछ लोगों का नहीं होता, वो कब तब तक समझ नहीं आता तो तुम करके नहीं देखते.
Yeah.
तो these are the two ways through which you can get
I think,
internship.
yeah, I think the basic way you can categorize getting internships through your college, through platforms like LinkedIn and Internshala, and your personal contacts.
And your personal contact, exactly, personal contacts is also something, like everyone is not blessed with
Yeah,
personal
you don't.
contacts. Also when you talk about personal contacts, there is
Mm,
okay, तो वहीं पर हम लोग बात करते हैं LinkedIn की. Now
yeah.
it is really important, the like the day you get started with your college, make
Mm,
a LinkedIn account, because अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे networking की, and LinkedIn is the best way of networking. लिख लो इस बात को, networking इससे बढ़िया कोई टूल अवेलेबल है ही नहीं, नहीं है. Like this is the only way
yeah.
you can like network with people sitting at home, and
Yeah.
the LinkedIn community is like so
Very.
enriching, and it's
Yeah.
growing day by day. There are content creators coming up on LinkedIn nowadays.
It's
So
very active. Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली, इट इज अ वेरी एक्टिव स्पेस. इट इज अ हिडन जेम जिसके बारे में ज्यादा लोग जानते नहीं है, लेकिन जो लोग हैं
Mm,
उनको पता है कि व्हाट इट इज, राइट? तो लिंक्डइन अकाउंट बना लो, एंड थ्रू लिंक्डइन यू कैन स्टार्ट मेकिंग योर ओन कनेक्शंस. यू विल बी एबल टू कनेक्ट विद स्टार्टअप्स, मतलब क्योंकि लेट्स से यू
yeah.
हैव तुमने अभी अभी एक स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया, ठीक है,
Mm,
एंड अ स्टूडेंट वांट्स टू डू एन इंटर्नशिप फॉर फ्री, तुम करने दोगे उसे? सीधी सी बात है, बिकॉज
yeah.
he is not asking for something and you're not even
Mm,
putting up things, right? लेकिन if you know people from the beginning, तुम्हें networking करने की काफी help
mm,
मिलेगा through LinkedIn. तो LinkedIn will definitely help you get some internships, लेकिन LinkedIn is necessary. It is not just
yeah.
about internships, it is also about networking in other stuff.
Yeah. And LinkedIn not only helps you get an internship, like you will be approached by companies. You can get approached by companies. You
Yeah,
can approach them even
exactly.
with job offers, internships, just projects, there are life projects
You
you can
will
work with.
actually get to know what's
Yeah,
happening around you, like
you're,
how the
you're,
corporate world is
mm,
functioning.
yeah, that like directly like connects you with the corporate world, which I don't think any other app does.
Exactly. I think और भी कुछ है, लेकिन आई थिंक
Yeah,
लिंक्डइन
the LinkedIn
डेफिनेटली
is
हैज
like
टू
the
नाउ बी
biggest, and it's very nice.
yeah. So definitely like make.
Recommend
So
one.
we have covered almost everything about internships. Now we will talk about side hustle, और साइड हसल के बारे में हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं, अब ये जरा ध्यान
Yeah,
से सुनना. So when you basically hear this word side hustle,
yeah,
तुम्हें क्या लगता है? Like it is something that you are doing side by side, right? So like you have a main profession which helps you get money, and or maybe if you're a student, you're doing something on the
yeah.
side, so that is a side hustle. Now, why is side hustle important in college? अब ये बात ध्यान से सुनना. How many of you want to become entrepreneurs? If अगर ज्यादा लोग देख रहे हैं तो नीचे
Hmm.
कमेंट करके बताना, like you have, if you have
Yeah.
this if you want to become entrepreneur someday, तो कितने हैं? हम लोग भी जानना चाहेंगे. हम लोग पोल
Hmm.
डाल देंगे. आई थिंक एक पोल का ऑप्शन भी आता है, तो
Yeah.
you can let us know like how many of you want to get into entrepreneurship someday. So
Hmm.
the business world, जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था, is changing, and now people are actually uh, looking for entrepreneurship in the early years of their life. Like they're not thinking that I will I will first get graduated, then I'll do my post graduation like MBA and stuff, and then I'll land up in a company, and then maybe I'll think about entrepreneurship कि करना है कि नहीं
Yeah.
करना. अब वो वाला टाइम चला गया, and people, if you want to do it, you can start it in school. Uh, we have met people from this
Hmm.
podcast जिन लोगों ने स्कूल के अंदर ही अपना entrepreneurship जर्नी स्टार्ट कर दिया था. सो इफ
Yeah.
यू रियली वांट टू डू इट, यू कैन स्टार्ट इट राइट नाउ. तुम्हें रुकने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. सो साइड हसल, मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट ये है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट आर योर पैशंस? अभी अभी तुम स्कूल से
Hmm.
निकले हो. आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन, लेट्स से, वीडियो क्रिएशन जैसे हम लोग कर रहे हैं? आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन कंटेंट राइटिंग, ब्लॉगिंग, व्लॉगिंग? ब्लॉगिंग अलग अलग वर्ड्स हैं, कंफ्यूज मत हो जाना, ठीक है? और मे बी यू वांट टू डू
Get in
डिजिटल मार्केटिंग,
designing anything.
डिजाइनिंग,
Lot of
ट्रेडिंग,
things.
कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
तो ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ये आई थिंक मैंने किसी दूसरे पॉडकास्ट में सुना था, विच वाज जिसमें अमन धतरवाल वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, और आई थिंक मेन सूत्रा का वीडियो था.
Hmm.
एंड इट इज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट जो कि मुझे भी काफी सही लगा, और आई थिंक हम लोग एक साल लेट हो गए ये करते हुए. हम लोगों ने सेकंड ईयर में स्टार्ट किया. दैट
Yeah.
first choose what your passion is. All right, when you are sure that okay, this is something that I want to do, start doing that in your first year itself. Start a page, or start a YouTube channel.
Hmm.
कुछ भी करना है. अगर तुम, if you want to become, if you want to get into investing and trading, set up a डीमैट अकाउंट, थोड़े थोड़े
Yeah.
पैसे डालना स्टार्ट करो, कुछ भी करो, और उसको साइड बाय साइड ग्रो करते रहो. लाइक साइड बाय साइड वो चल रहा
Yeah.
है. यू आर स्टूडेंट, यू आर डूइंग योर इंटर्नशिप्स, गेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस, डूइंग ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज,
Hmm.
चीजें सीख रहे हो, और साथ साथ में उसको अप्लाई करते जा रहे हो. एंड दैट इज लाइक अ बेबी दैट यू आर नर्चरिंग फॉर 3 years, राइट? तो तुमने फर्स्ट ईयर
Hmm.
में उसे किया, सेकेंड ईयर में उसे किया, थर्ड ईयर में उसे किया, और इफ यू आर इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट तो फोर्थ ईयर में भी उसे किया. तो
Yeah.
and if that thing becomes something, let's say
Hmm.
after 4 years, it is something that you can join now, तो तुम्हारे पास
Yeah.
में ऑप्शन हो जाएगा कि अभी मेरी ग्रेजुएशन के साथ साथ मैंने उसे किया और इज
Exactly.
ऑलरेडी हैज अ लेवल. तो मैं एक मतलब जो हुई तुम्हारा एक जनरल सा कंसेप्ट होता था, आई विल डू एमबीए और जॉब, वो छोड़
Hmm.
करके अब मैं इसमें घुस सकता हूँ. क्योंकि आफ्टर
Yeah.
यू हैव पुट इन योर 3 years इन ग्रेजुएशन, उसके बाद में अगर तुम बोलोगे कि मुझे एकदम से एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है,
Yeah. I have
तो
to
कुछ
start.
साल लग जाएंगे.
Yeah.
इट इज नॉट समथिंग दैट यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट राइट दिस. यू नीड
Hmm.
टाइम. तो अगर तुम ये काम फर्स्ट ईयर से ही स्टार्ट कर दोगे, तो दैट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू,
Yeah.
बिकॉज यू विल गेट टू अ पॉइंट जहाँ पे तुम ऑलरेडी 3 साल से नर्चर कर रहे हो, और तुम्हें पता
Hmm.
है कि अब अगर तुम इसमें घुसोगे तो उसको ग्रो करना ज्यादा आसान हो जाएगा. ऑल्सो
True.
आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ये हर केस में होगा. हम
Yeah.
लोग भी 6 महीने से लगे हुए हैं, ठीक है? वी आर डूइंग समथिंग धीरे धीरे
Yeah.
साइड बाय साइड, लेकिन लाइक इट रियली डिपेंड्स कि आफ्टर 2 years दिस विल बी एट अ पॉइंट जिसको हम लोग आगे लेके जा सकते हैं कि नहीं लेके जा सकते.
Hmm.
कीप ऑन डूइंग इट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग
Exactly.
दैट यू हैव टू गेट कि यार ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा.
Hmm.
कीप ऑन डूइंग इट. इट माइट गेट समथिंग. इट इज जस्ट अ
Yeah.
सेफ ऑप्शन दैट यू आर डूइंग, जिससे कभी ये ना लगे कि हमने कुछ ट्राई नहीं किया. दैट इज द
Hmm.
बिगेस्ट लाइक रिग्रेट दैट पीपल हैव, कि उन्हें लगता है कि वो कुछ
Yeah.
कर
I didn't. Yeah. Exactly. And like you talked about that, if it works out, you can invest. more time in the future. Even if it doesn't work out, like agar, if like touch wood, if you plan on doing something, you side hustling and it doesn't work out, you still gain a lot of things out of it, right?
we'll
The
get we'll
amount
gain
of
a lot
things
of things exactly.
you
अगर
gain, the you gain the
अगर हमारा
experience.
पॉडकास्ट नहीं भी चलता, वी आर
हाँ,
स्टिल यूट्यूबर्स, लाइक वी
we
आर स्टिल पॉडकास्ट। नहीं चलता तो कोई बात नहीं, दैट विल ऑलवेज बी इन आवर सीवी
that,
दैट वी स्टार्टेड समथिंग।
yeah.
इवन दो अगर वो नहीं भी चलता, वी डिड स्टार्ट
Mhm.
समथिंग, वी डिड डू समथिंग एंड वी गेन्ड अ लॉट ऑफ
And
इट,
it was,
a lot from it.
yeah, you like talking about stuff, you gain a lot of experience, you learn new things, you meet new people, especially in our podcast. And I
हम लोग
cannot
अपने
tell you,
पॉडकास्ट की बात
yeah,
करें तो दैट इज लाइक रियली ट्रू।
and I cannot tell you how much fun I have editing these videos. And I can assure you, like even after years, if it doesn't work out, I'll call Shubhan like, do you remember when we had that this much fun when we did this? And it's just
एग्जैक्टली,
a very good feeling that you have, that you tried to do something. And as I think we've talked about this in like other podcasts as well, like even failure teaches you a lot more than like success ever will, right?
एग्जैक्टली। आई थिंक वी शुड नॉट थिंक अबाउट फेलियर राइट
Yeah,
नाउ,
yeah.
समथिंग
not
दैट वी आर
not when
डूइंग
when
अर्ली।
not when talking about our podcast.
एंड
No.
अगर हम लोग अपने साइड एक्सपीरियंस, अगर हम लोग अपने एक्सपीरियंस की बात करें तो
Yeah.
जैसे ये हमारा एक साइड हसल है, तो इसके थ्रू हमने क्या गेन नहीं किया है। लाइक मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं वीडियो एडिटिंग सीखूंगा, मुझे अच्छी
Hmm.
से नहीं आती है, लेकिन एटलीस्ट आई कैन मेक
Yeah.
अ पॉडकास्ट, ऑलराइट, लाइक इफ यू
Exactly.
गिव मी द स्क्रिप्ट, मैं एक पॉडकास्ट बना दूंगा कुछ ना कुछ
Hmm.
करके, ठीक है। इसके अलावा आई न्यू हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट विद पीपल, हाउ टू
Same.
अप्रोच पीपल, also the people who we could bring on a podcast जो
Yeah.
उन लोगों ने बातें करी हैं, that is like life
You
lessons that were
you
given to us.
learn a lot
Exactly,
from other people, and you have the pleasure of like calling people and talking to them exclusively.
exactly.
Amazing.
Also then marketing, learning a little bit of SEO,
Hmm.
like how to handle social media accounts, how to make a Instagram ad। हम लोगों ने एक छोटा सा Instagram ad
हाँ.
भी बना करके देखा था अभी कुछ टाइम पहले, कुछ लाइक थोड़ा सा पैसे लगा के देखे थे हमने उसके अंदर,
Yeah.
देखते हैं क्या होता है। तो these are small things जो कि हम लोगों ने
That
सीखी
you
है।
learn along the way. Yeah. And that will
Exactly.
help you in the future.
Right. So
Hmm.
don't think a lot before starting something. I think you
Yeah,
should
I
just,
think we talked about this when our Ishan's work. Like you, the main thing is to start. Just
that's true.
start. Yeah.
Yeah, you really need to start। ज्यादा सोच के तुम्हें कभी
Hmm.
कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला, फिर तुम सोचते ही रह जाओगे। तो इवन इफ यू लाइक, तुम आजकल तो तुम किसी भी चीज में इंटरेस्टेड हो, या यू कैन जस्ट मेक अ ब्लॉग
Hmm.
अबाउट इट। क्योंकि ये हमेशा होता है दैट यू सी पीपल डूइंग थिंग्स दैट यू वांट टू डू,
Hmm.
बट यू डिडंट डू इट बिकॉज यू जस्ट थॉट कि इसमें यार मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ।
Yeah, बहुत
तो
competition है या
yeah,
overcrowded field.
so at least just try it out। You are young right now, you don't have
Hmm.
in most cases you will not have family pressure and stuff, so you have time, so you should try
Yeah.
stuff out also।
And
You
yeah.
don't need to be in the creative space हमेशा, जैसे हम लोग हैं, you don't
Hmm.
really need to be in the creative space, you don't need to start a blog or something like that। हमें ये करने का मन था तो हमने ये
हाँ.
किया। If you want to do, you can start digital marketing। I have friends who have small digital marketing agencies right
Hmm.
in first year, second year itself। I have friends who did sub brokerages and stuff like that, who invest in the stock markets।
Hmm.
और अभी ईशान आया था, he started his app, right?
Yeah.
We have like also met some people जिन लोगों ने अपने manufacturing units तक
Yeah.
सेटअप करी है in the
Fitness
first
advice
year
and
itself।
everything. Yeah, the thing is, you can get into anything you like, because in college, believe it or not, you have a lot of free time in college. As
Yeah,
school में
you
नहीं मिलता है, but
definitely have a lot of,
college it's like you get a lot of time to yourself. और ये
so
lockdown में तो yeah.
this is like really important that you give importance to side hustles in college,
Exactly. हाँ,
क्योंकि
you
आग,
don't get tied up in studies all the time. It's very
that's true,
important. Yeah.
that's really important। The practical exposure is really what that will help you out at the end of the day। Like your marks will be something that might affect you in your first interview, जब तुम्हारा HR तुमसे पूछेगा ओके
Hmm.
सो लाइक हाउ मेनी मार्क्स डिड यू स्कोर, वो ज्यादा
Yeah.
देखेगा भी नहीं क्योंकि उसके खुद के भी शायद ज्यादा
Yeah.
ना आए हो, बट ज्यादा वो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है
But your
ऑनेस्टली।
personality, your practical exposure, your skill set matters more than your marks ever will.
इट डेफिनेटली मैटर्स मोर देन योर मार्क्स। तो कॉलेज में वो स्कूल वाली अप्रोच तो प्लीज लेके मत चलना, जो भी नए बच्चे
Hmm.
देख रहे हैं। प्लीज मत लेके
टॉप
चलो
कर रहा था हमने तो अच्छा कॉलेज मिला है, अब कॉलेज में टॉप करेंगे तो अच्छी जॉब मिलेगी,
हाँ,
दैट इज
ऐसा
नॉट
कुछ
हाउ
नहीं है।
इट वर्क।
हाँ, नहीं, जॉब में इट माइट हेल्प, बट लाइक डू यू वांट टू जस्ट सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सिट इन दैट क्यूबिकल एंड वर्क ऑल डे लॉन्ग? यू डोंट वांट टू डू दैट ना। तो अब उस अप्रोच को निकालो, अब दैट इज नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स,
हम्म।
राइट? तो अब जो लास्ट चीज है जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं वो है दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर द सोसाइटी। तो when you're in college you will get a lot of chances to work for NGOs and do a lot of practical social work,
Hmm.
like go and teach underprivileged kids. Like there are NGOs that will let you do
Yeah.
that. You can go and do that charity funding and stuff. You can talk about mental health.
Yeah.
uh, अभी हमारा एक पॉडकास्ट था रिजुल के साथ में, who has her own mental health initiative, and under her a lot of our college students work and promote
Yeah.
mental health. That is also a great example, the things that you can
Yeah.
run in college itself. So you have a lot of time, or agar you are that person who wants to do something for the society and
Hmm.
stuff, so this is the like perfect time when you have the time and you can
Yeah.
do things like that right away. Also that these things help you in university admissions and all.
Hmm.
That should not be your
That,
aim.
yeah, that should not be the aim.
But if you want to do things like that, abhi tumhare paas mein mauka hai, so consider it as well.
And like for people who think that they won't be able to teach or communicate, you can help out in different ways. I think there are many life projects you can get attached to. People help NGOs by getting into the marketing team, administrative team, and helping them grow and reach out to other people.
Exactly. It is almost like an internship. You will get a lot of practical
Exactly.
exposure from
Yeah.
that also. Right. So I think that's it.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this podcast. Let us know in the comments what you thought about it. And as usual, keep supporting, keep hustling.